playing the Blueprints. So I've seen a lot of this game, but I have a memory of a goldfish. So I have definitely seen some spoilers on this. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh my, it is loading. It is taking some time to load. Oh, there we go. Nagu Bomb presents. In association with Raw Fury. Oh, a house I own near of Mount Holly. The Sinclair Legacy. I'm gonna own a mansion. I'm finally gonna get a house in this market. This housing market is not so great for to get any houses. Shao Labs. 18th day of March, 1993. Herbert S. Sinclair. Alrighty. Blueprints. Day 1. Hey, there I am. So, yeah, I know some bits of how this game works. Let's see how this works. Oh, I actually can move. Birds? Bird. Bird is the word. I got vases. Open in the event of my death. Welcome to Mount Holly. You may not remember, but I have found memories of many visits here as a young boy and hope these rooms provide you with much amusement as it did in those lost summer days. By the time you read this, I will assume I'm fully aware of my last wishes and all the details of the banquet. Please do not mistake my intentions in giving you this challenge as a lack of confidence. I assure you, nothing could have been further from the mind when I chose you as my heir. With that said, there are a few ground rules in the commission cover fine print and will I feel should bring you to your attention. No tools or items may be brought onto the estate from the outside. Tools and items found in the estate may not be taken off the estate. You may not stay overnight. May not stay overnight. Wait, what? Alright, where do I stay? Huh? I don't suspect that any of these stipulations should prove an should prove an impediment for someone as resourceful as yourself, but It is very important to me that you start fresh each morning and not rely on the success of the previous day. One final word of advice: do not assume the rooms you find today will be the same rooms you find tomorrow. These grounds have provided me a home for the last half century. And even I am uncertain of which room lies beyond any particular door. Your grandmother used to say, don't go where the path leads. Abandon the path and go where you want it to lead. With all my love and wishes, best of luck, Herbert S. Sinclair. And we have this. The blueprint. This will serve as useful map inventory during your adventure. You may access the blueprint menu by pressing tab. Cool. What's this? Searching exhausting. Okay. Yeah, I know about the footsteps. I know about this. I know, to start efficiently. You kind of... I could actually go here first. See if I can find... parlor? Ooh. Man, it's so weird how everything is a click. I always assume that it's like, when Ivory died, that's a reroll. Then a storeroom, parlor. I think it's storeroom. It's like kind of interesting. You kind of assume you click E for interactions. So yeah. Let's see. I could go forward. Let's go to the side. Breaker room. A nook. I'll take a nook for now. Don't really have too many steps. A corridor. I'll take the corridor. And I will go here. Is there anything here? This is, yeah, take notes is always great. I know stuff about like chess pieces and whatnot, so... Spare room, a den. Oh, that's how I can see the map. A courtyard. Guess I can take this. Spare room has absolutely nothing inside. A security. Okay, security. Oh, and here's a cutscene. Security, very, very fancy. Huh, those are tapes? Like film tapes? I wonder how, old that is. Oh, and they see so many different rooms here. Is that like the closet? I think that's the archives. That's definitely music room. Oh. Oh. And that's me in the security room. Oh man, that's a very laggy security camera. Okay. Lots of things here. Blue memos equals true, red memos equal lies. Is there anything else in here? Ooh, computer. Press enter. View estate inventory. Oh, I have a key card system. Key card, set level, low, and confirm setting. Change to offline mode. And then I exit. Wait, is there anything else here? I could do. Press enter. Log into network. Incorrect password. Okay. Let's exit here. Oh, wait, can I just toggle like oh my goodness, I almost quit. Blueprint, room directory, stroll, soft toggle or hold. Inverted look, field of view, blueprint. Oh, can't toggle that. There's a password here. Seasonal concerns, punch off clock. I think there was some stuff about anagrams here too. Keycard access is security doors more likely to appear in the higher ranks of the state. Likewise, abundant security measures or doors in the state will also be more likely to be locked with further progress. Until further notice, the antechamber has been unlocked and access levels are no longer required to grant entry. So red notes are lies. Where am I going? Let's go here. Courtyard. The den. And does the den have anything here? There's clocks. Nothing. I can try to go down. Chapel. Bedroom. I'll take the guest bedroom. Just get rid of anything here. Oh, what is this? Sinclair, just wanted to write you a quick note thanking you for the weekend. I had a thrilling time on a hunt of Lord Ivinson, whose particular personality somewhat made up your own absence. I also got appreciated a new game in the billiard room. It's been ages since I've seen the billiard room in the house. I was beginning to suspect you retired that floor plan. It was well worth the wait though, as I always enjoyed mathematical puzzles and appreciate that I didn't need to know the rules of darts to play the variations. Okay. There's a key. There's something else in this room. What else is in this room? It's around here? 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 This metal detector is going off somewhere. I honestly cannot tell where it's going off. It's like here, right? No? Oh. Coin. That took so long to find. Oh, is there anything else here? Okay. Nothing else is here. Nothing is there. Boudoir. Pantry. Yes. I can do a pantry. Apple. What is this? Bridget, please pick up some more fruits before Friday as we must have been informed. These are extra steps. Should be enough, so I think spread will be total. A deal 5 apples, 5 bananas, 5 oranges. The enclosed amount should cover the expenses, but please bring back any change from the order and leave it in the pantry. Oh, just rob the pantry. Cool. Does that mean anything? 5 apples, 5 oranges, 5 bananas? Oh, that's a key. So, let's try to go other places. Let's go here. A nursery, laboratory. I am not a fan of all of this. Dark room. I'm not a fan of dark room either. A furnace, a dining room, a parlor. Oh, I definitely need to do dining room. And I have access to the corridor. I think the corridor does have... Oh, I need to unlock rank 5 for meal. Oh, there is something here. Where's this something? Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's go here. Utility closet, a chapel. A boudoir. I'll take the boudoir. This one, I definitely remember stuff about dates. Oh, Christmas. I forgot what Christmas when was Christmas because I do know there's a safe here. So the safe is it like 12:25? Oh my goodness. Yes. And I got a red letter. The first red letter. Number 4. Herbert, I was distraught to learn that you have chosen to omit the details of our dear Marianne's disappearance from the public record. It is no surprise to me that the royal court would want this embarrassment kept quiet as possible, but I am shocked that you have so little regard for your niece that you would play the king's Galunian and stoop to kissing the foot that treads upon her memory. She gave up her family, her fortune, and her life, and all you can do is think of your name. Having never had a family name nor a fortune of my own, I cannot personally condemn you for faltering in your commitment to make the same sacrifice she did, but for the love of God, do not by that same display of weakness clutch your petty assets so tightly that you undermine the cause that she forfeited everything to further. Our countrymen must be made aware of the price she paid and must be made to see the color of the flag she flew as she rode into darkness the 100 Nights. To deny her story is to deny her life. If through your silence you bless this betrayal, our son Simon, your heir, will inherit a fortune of lies and will spit upon your grave when he learns of your cursed foolishness. Needless to say, we will not be coming to Christmas this year, Daniel. Oh, that's sad. Okay. Okay. Passageway. Passageway is kind of crazy here. Parlor is crazy here. Actually take the passageway. It takes a lot, but the spread is crazy here. I'll take the take the dark room. I can't reroll. What about here? The kitchen, the courtyard, the furnace. Oh, why is everything costing gems? More likely to draft red rooms. I actually don't know what's in here. Alright, I'll visit the archives a little bit later. Oh my goodness. Less likely to find items. Archives is kind of harsh on me. Wow. More likely to draft red rooms. You're not kidding here. I would have loved to take an aquarium. I kind of don't want that. I'll take the maid chamber for now. What's in here? Oh, maid. What's in here? A hat. There is a note here. Staff notice, the day we dreaded has finally arrived. It is with unprecedented sadness we inform you of the death of our benefactor, employer and master, the Baron of Mount Holly, H.S. Sinclair. Any staff who has an interest in attending services may contact Miss Babbage for details. In the following instructions left by Baron himself, effective immediately, all work at Mount Holly is suspended. All live-in staff will have 1 month paid leave and must vacate the premise by Friday, November 6th. Wait, they took away all my items though. Man. Alright. Okay, I guess I am using a key here. Holy. Wow. The furnace is, oh boy. Very, oh, this has a bishop. I know, I should, record this, right? Chess pieces? Rename to chess pieces. So we should have a king. Queen. What'll be next? It'll be bishop. Knight. Rook. And then pawn. So I need to label chapel as a knight, or not a knight. It's a the bishop has the, or the chapel has the bishop. And then I see these candles. There are some interesting stuff that could happen with these candles. Oh. What's in here? I don't know where this metal detector is going. Off. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, the furnace. Holy cow. Oh, past the, oh, the rumpus room. Oh, car keys. That's very interesting. Holy cow. I could actually enter the bedroom. There is a trunk there. I am definitely very interested. Greetings from Remington. Oh, what is this? There's that. This has a pawn. Bedroom has a pawn. Let's see. I don't want to come back here. And I'm probably not gonna find, like, stuff. There is a gem, which is very nice. Losing steps. Every door is basically locked. Commissary. Counts as 2 bedrooms. I wouldn't mind the commissary. Actually, maybe I should have thought about the commissary. Or maybe it's fine with the commissary. Running shoes. Oh, of course, it's a sledgehammer. I'll deal with the sledgehammer later. What's in here? Nursery conference room? Sure. 2 days only. Is there a way I could tell what day it is? Do I want the running shoes? I don't want the running shoes. At the best I want is the sledgehammer. Conference room. Oh, there's a note there. There's actually a lot of notes. Oh, what the heck is this? Everyone has a note. Safe code. 90. Well, that is totally a lie because red notes are all lies. Is that the only one with a note on it? Really? I just completely skipped a note. Reminder, after meeting adjourns, take all conference room notes and place them into office safe. Office safe. Interesting. I'm going down here. Oh, I should not have used the key there. Oh, I finally found the utility closet. And, I want you off. I want you off, and I want you on. Cool. So now I have access to the other side. And there is, I have no idea how this works. Ooh, red, red, red. I need, oh, wait. I also remember, key card system is off. That means if I ever pass back down into the security room, that would be good. Oh, that's a lot of steps. I guess I'm gonna go up here for now. Observatory, East Wing Hall. I'll take the East Wing Hall. I think the garage is also where I kind of want to go towards. Nope. Oh, greenhouse. You're more likely to. Ooh, wine cellar. A workshop could be interesting. Oh, wait. Could I buy sledgehammer? Question mark, question mark. Also, with the metal detector going off, really, the sledgehammer is made out of metal? I don't think that's the case. Metal detector. Okay. So they don't do anything. An office, a nursery. This is slightly awkward. Oh, wait. I have the furnace though. So I can't technically melt myself off if I really wanted to. Guess I could go to furnace for the time being. Man. No, I can't get the running. Which way do I go? Entry then security room. Furnace. So this is technically a free path here. I do want to go to security room. And I could save. Actually, I don't think I lose money since I can't spend money. Security, security. Okay, so it's offline now. Keycard system. Set security level at high. And then change offline mode. Return to security menu. I'm missing a lockpick kit? What? It might be in the archives. Or dark room. Oh, it might be in the dark rooms. Oh. This is an aquarium, right? Plus 10 extra steps if I have an aquarium. Where is this located? That's pretty far down. And I don't think I can utilize that. Okay. Door. The furnace. I think the furnace should be able to, like, free me of this. Or count us with dog. Yeah. And then... Oh, what the... Did I not turn that on? I made a slight mistake there. Oh. Where's my breaker? Wait, did I turn that on? Man, I can't believe I just wasted all those steps. Garage, dark room is on. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I I turned it off when I wanted it to be on. Oh, my steps. Luckily that's off. Oh, yes, don't make the donations. Okay. So there's stuff here. Oh, this does have lockpicking kit. Am I missing a gold as well? Oh, yep, there is a gold. And there's a bunch of pictures here. I think I need a magnifying glass. Oh, there's a picture. Oh, oh, I need a magnifying glass. I see some stuff here. Print notes. HS has requested yet another print of latest ship. I assume for one of her rooms in the West Wing, as well as an enlarged print of the enclosed photograph. He said that the last development was too dark, so keep an eye on that. Okay, cool. Lady ship. That is, I believe, the office. Maids. Oh, what? Aren't these the same pictures? I guess the exposure is better with this. They are definitely the same pictures. What's so different about this? I kind of want a magnifying glass. Oh my goodness, the exposure is getting destroyed. Oh my goodness. I can't see what's in there. A lot of duplicate pictures, that's for sure. Oh, I see a conference room and a note. That'll be interesting. I wonder if that's a red note. Drawing rooms, a laboratory, counts as 2 bedrooms. Holy cow, 2 gems. That's really big. Game system, locks. Nothing in there. Alrighty. Let's see this way. We can pick. Nope. Let's just start from down here. Aquarium. West Wing Hall. And there's absolutely nothing there. Kitchen, wine cellar. Oh my goodness. Food for sale? Guess I'll go here. Oh. No water here. That's unfortunate. Guess, gonna get... Oh, doggy. What's in here? +5 stats for each red room. +15, a banana. I have a crazy amount of red rooms, don't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can draft even more red rooms. Do observatory. I will actually buy tomato soup. Please, if I have an aquarium. Well, don't have that. Oh, there is a puzzle here too, if I recall correctly, because there is this box there. Why was I bring it this way? Oh. Oh, it does actually go in the direction you spent. Oh my goodness, really? Oh, I need to just keep going with this. Okay. And then I need to lower it somehow, right? How do I lower this? Oh. Oh, with this? Oh, I did it too far. I did it too far. Oh, I do actually see there's a clockwise and counterclockwise. Alrighty. Let us go here. I can't reach it. Down. And I have the planetarium added to my drafting pool. Okay, and then I will lift that up. I think I need to be at full there. And then I can move you here. Is it possible to just keep moving this way? Oh, cool, I can. And this takes a crazy long time. And ooh, I get the North Star. Every star can represent something. You give me a bonus. There's a book here. Depending on number of stars, North Star, Twin, Slice, yada yada. Where am I going? I'm going up here. Ooh. Oh. Oh my. The archives. The archives is in a great location, to be honest. Weight room. I have the kitchen. So it should be okay. There is nothing here. Question mark, question mark. Securities. Laboratory. Planetarium. Hey, I just got this room. What's in here? Oh, star schedule. Constellation updated. Is there anything here? So I can end the day here and get an extra star, which is kind of nice. Courtyard. Man, I don't want that. I don't have any gems. I will finally take the archives. I'm a little bit sad by that. Laboratory. Oh, it should be better than anything else here. Oh, my goodness, that's a lot of keys there. Is it possible for me just to... Nope. Nope. Oh. Hello. Oh. Where's this? Going south? Oh. Hello for Bandy. Welcome, welcome. Delivered here the day after. Oh, gem requirements. I'll take them out. hello, Lucian. Welcome. How are you? Oh, there's so much reading in here. What is this? What is all this? What is all this? Oh, I see something here. I need a magnifying glass. Please return all correspondence and packages addressed to Denny Ravin to sender as he is no longer employed to our staff. Oh, wait. More detailed instructions will be sent by electronic email. Address to this client has been provided. Oh, this is a very important thing here. Utility room fuse boxes. So oh, where am I gonna put this, honestly? I need to make a folder for this. What is this even called? Prince, this is the utility room fuse box. Okay, good. Wait, more details. Electronic email? That's interesting. Press any button above to activate blue. Press the blue indicator next to a red indicator to activate purple. 5 purple indicators are needed to activate the 6. The 6? Okay, I guess I can try to figure that out. There's a letter here. Hi, buddy. How's it going up there in the big house? I think most people are pretty scared being alone for this length of time, but I have a feeling you're happy doing fine. I imagine you happy as a clam, perfectly content on this stable exploration and opportunities of adventure present themselves each day. As I'm writing this, you're currently garage packing the tent. I wanted to try to post this letter before we depart tomorrow so that has a chance to arrive during your first days on the estate, but with all the preparations, I'm not sure I'm going to find the time. Was mine on the last page? Wait, what? Okay. There is so much I want to say. I'm sure I forget to tell you Friday night. Sometimes it's easier for me to just jot this stuff down. You're yelling at me right now. Come bring your a pillowcase. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. I can tell you're really excited, but I think you might feel guilty about being so happy the day after the funeral. Believe me, I know how long Uncle Herbert worked on setting this up for you. I know from our conversations just how much happiness this final project brought him. So do both of us a favor and be excited. The house really is amazing. I know it's been almost 7 years since we were last up there. I'm really curious to hear just how much you remember from these summer trips. You've always been smarter than me in this kind of thing. I'm not sure how much guidance or inspiration I can offer for your trip that will actually be useful to you, despite my best intentions. I'm sure that on Friday, I'll end up leaving you with a few overused cliche expressions. We say farewells. Later, alligator, Dad. Oh, dad jokes. I see. Yes, get some sleep each night. Don't spend all your time playing at Durgurly blocks. Is there anything else here? Okay. Oh. Well, I can't pick laboratory, so I guess I'm picking you. The parlor. I can't pick this one. I pick this one. Oh, hello. Oh, I can go north here. Locksmith. Oh, well, I have to pick this. Holy cow. Oh, a code check. Car keys, metal detector, a lockpick. I'll leave that alone for now. Parlor. What's in here? Dear May the 2nd, it was a great honor receiving an invitation to dine with you to stay in Old Hams this past Thursday. If I'm being frank, if I have been quite a while since we had been a decent society, and we were beginning to worry about my wife's wit and lost its charm. I have no delusions that my company is rivals to hers. If I can refresh your memory, we both spent much of the evening discussing our mutual love of games and puzzles, and I have mentioned to you a rather singular parlor game that I played some years back, involving 3 boxes of different colors. You have pressed me to write the particular games. Oh, it's this one. There will always be at least one box which displays one true statement. There will always be one box which displays only false statements. There will always be at least one box. Only one box has a prize within, the other 2 are empty. So this is the box game. We have 1 truth. Is this 1 truth and 1 lie? Oh, at least 1 box which displays a false statement. The gems are on the floor. That is a false statement. The gems are in this box. That could be true. The gems are on the desk. So there are 2 false, 1 true, and this has to be true. And yeah, I can gems. Go check. Oh my goodness. The archives room. Man, I kind of need like keys. I guess I'm like close enough. There's the archives. Oh, there's the security door, which is kind of nice. What is in here though? Marigold. There's a lot of stuff here. Suspicious truths. Oh, there's there's so much to read there. Let's see. Anything in here? Nope. Nothing there. What about this one? Nope, nothing in there. Well, let's see what this one is. Terrace rooms do not cost. Billiard rooms. Oh, that is a gem requirement. Green rooms do not cost anything. I'll take the billiard room because I think they mentioned about a game in here. Man. 5? I assume this is addition for blue, so I guess that's 15. Okay. That's 19 minus 13, that's 6. 11 minus 3, that's 8. 3 times 3? I think that's... Okay, so that's multiplications. So 9 minus 7 is 2 times 10, that's 20. Hey, yo. Got myself some keys. A bat in a forest. Luckily I did have some keys here, which is very good. Aquarium. I'll take the aquarium. And actually we'll head to the Great Halls. I actually don't know if I can so I could be in this one. And this one. Hey, oh, that's the opposite direction. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's add a sheet here for renaming this. Antechamber doors. This one is 7 or Great Hall. Great Hall. 7 locks. That's going to be right door. So I already went there. Well, this is slightly awkward. The antechamber is locked. Wow. The maid definitely takes. Alright, let's see where this one goes. Closet. What about the archives? Wait, is this not a closet too? What the heck? Okay. I have 3 steps left. Oh, this is... I think I'm 1 off. I should not have stepped into that room. Billiards room. No! No, let me in! Let me in! Oh, did I actually... I called it a day in here? I did call it a day in there. That's so cool.